Hey guys, so this is my next project. Actually, that's my father's F-250 truck. That's my next project. It's a 2009 Silverado 1500 and it's in not too bad a shape. The guy I bought it from said he thinks it needs a head gasket, or it has a crack in the block. He's not 100% sure. I really didn't do much to it. I cleaned up the inside of it so far. That's the only thing I did. But pretty soon, in the next week or two, I'll be diving into this to see what's wrong with it. I'm hoping it's just a head gasket, but it could be a whole engine. We're not sure yet. So anyway, this is just, I got it home, got it in the shop, and just cleaned up the inside of it, and that is a real mess right there. That could be a lot of the trouble too, is there's a lot of corrosion in behind those fuse block or fuse. So got to clean that up. But anyway, overall the truck's in pretty good shape. Has a little bit of rust bubbling around the back wheel wells there, nothing too major. The truck has power fold heated mirrors. It's got a power seat. I'm trying to think what else it has. It's got a lot of bells and whistles on it. Oh, it has Bluetooth. Yeah, there's the Bluetooth for the hands-free. And there's the power heated mirrors. I think it might even have dual climate control. I'm not 100% sure yet. But a little rip in the seat there. I'll try and fix that up. And there's the power fold mirrors. Anyway, it should be a pretty good truck once it's fixed up. Nice little project for me over the next 3 or 4 weeks. When I did get the truck home, I did change the oil on it because there was a lot of water in the oil. It was a lot of water. And that's because of the head gasket, definitely. And I'm not even sure, it has a 5.3 liter in it now, and I'm actually debating if it does need an engine. I'm really considering putting a 4.8 liter in it instead of the 5.3. The main reason being is the 5.3 has the active fuel management system, which I do not like. And the 4.8 liters don't have the active fuel management. So anyway, I'll know better when I get into this. If everything else looks good in the engine, as far as the lifters and all that stuff, then I'll probably just take HP tuners and I will turn that feature off on the computer. So we don't have to worry about that failing then down the road. But anyway, if the engine is shot, I might just end up putting a 4.8 liter in it instead of the 5.3. Not really sure yet, but let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you think I should go with the 5.3 or the 4.8. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys.